everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Priyanshi Sayamiti Pathi. Today I am dressed up as a peacock. Peacock is the national bird of our country. I am very beautiful bird. I have long and colorful feathers.